Starstruck Korean BR series starts on May 18th, Thursday on Heavenly TV for 8 episodes, based on the novel of the same name by Ha Tae Jin. Depicts the romance between Yoojae and Han-joon, best friends who have been together since middle school.
Zuho as Yoojae, Kim In-sung as Han-joon, Park Tae as Park Jin-hwan, Choi as Yoon Chae-young, Kim Yoo-bin as Ha Yoo-bin, Lee Sang-min as Ji Sung-min, Kwon Shan as Lee In-gyu.
Yoojae and Han-joon has been a best friend since junior high. Han-joon has been slowly realizing his true feeling towards Yoojae, but he decides to remain as his friend, to be on his side. However, on the day of the final exam in high school, he realized he could no longer hide his feelings and he decides to confess his feeling to Yoojae.